morning everyone!
Hey guys, how you doing?
Welcome back to the vlog channel. So today we have a bit of an exciting vlog. Well, do you want to tell them what we're doing?
Well, we thought we'd go check out some vans.
Yeah, we never thought we'd be saying that in our whole life, would we?
No, not vans, but I don't know.
Vans.
I've actually always been into the whole build your own van thing.
Yeah.
Anyway, we thought we might potentially take on a project of building a camper van.
I think that would be so cool,
Yeah.
especially now because you can't really travel abroad and you have to just, you know, travel within the country and stuff. I think it'd be just so much fun.
It could be inconvenient. You could travel or you can quarantine when you get back.
Yeah.
But most people would do a camper van for like the travelling part.
Yeah,
We're more excited to take it on for the projects, like the building of it.
Yeah, you guys know that we love to, you know, redo any sort of, well, just we like transformations, don't we?
Yeah. Yeah, and sorry we're in this bush.
Yeah.
It's kind of like really bright today, so this is the only part of shade in the garden. So yeah, we thought if we were going to do this, we would do it up, we'd build the camper van, maybe use it for a little bit, rent it out a few times, and then sell it or something.
Yeah, and I think it'd be a really fun project to do and document for you guys. Also, we are filming on a new camera, so you might have noticed there's a slight difference in quality.
Yeah, so we're trying out the new Canon R5.
Yeah.
So this is actually 8K downsampled to 4K.
Yeah.
So, I don't know, I got a memory card, it was super expensive.
Oh god, it's so expensive.
And I've got about 10-20 minutes of recording.
Oh my
time.
gosh, are you serious?
I usually have a couple of hours to play with.
Wow.
So
that's bad.
It uses a lot of like data space. It uses a lot of memory.
And we got the smallest SD card too because they were just so expensive. So.
Well, we got the smallest one to start off with because we don't know if we're going to keep the camera or not.
Yeah, we're going to try it out, but let us know what you guys think of the quality.
I mean, last time we tried out the Canon, you guys preferred it, but the Canon sucks in one way. It has terrible dynamic range.
Yeah, so some especially if you're filming outside in the garden like this, we're in the shade right now, but if we were to stand in the sun, you can see in the back, you can't see anything, it's just pitch black almost.
Yeah, I mean the dynamic range on this camera isn't great, so that means basically the shadows and the highlights, you don't really have a lot of room to play with.
Yeah, it's one or the other, isn't it?
Basically, we tried out the Canon. Remember when we built the decking over there? Yeah. We tried out a Canon then, and it was so hard to film because it was so sunny. And the area with the decking was just in shade.
Yeah, and it just didn't look great, but hopefully this camera might be better. I guess we'll review the footage afterwards.
Yeah, so we're going to try it out for this vlog, but yeah.
So we have just stopped off at the petrol station. Matt is pumping up the car with petrol.
Hey, we're on our way to Van World.
Yeah, we're on our way to Van World now, and I was actually so cold. Like, it's a nice sunny day, but it is very windy in this car, so I was just literally like using my coat to like cover myself up. I had goosebumps and everything, but yeah, we're on our way. I'm so excited.
So we decided to come back for the doors, didn't we?
It was just way too windy. I mean, it's a nice day, but it is quite cloudy. It's not as hot as the other day, so...
Also, we didn't realise the place we're going is an hour and 15 minutes away, so...
And I was wearing my helmet because it's really windy without the doors, but now that the doors are going to be on... Wait, that's the wrong one.
Yeah, that's the wrong one.
Now that the doors are going to be on, I won't have to wear my helmet either, so that's good.
Yeah, I didn't realise it was so far away. But
yeah, it is quite far.
Yeah.
Swindon.
We're going there because they have like every type of van, like the Ford Transits, the Mercedes Sprinters, and we really don't know what we're looking for, or like, I don't know. We don't really know what we're looking at yet, do we?
No, not really.
Me and Roxy are such faffers, like whenever we are going to go out for the day or do something for the day, like we faff around so much, like, I don't know, we're just not that organised. We get in the car, we realise we forgot something, we get back in the car, we drive 5 minutes down the road and we realise, oh, maybe we should get that, or should we bring that, or sun cream or something.
Yeah, always the way. But yeah, the other day we did forget sun cream and we were like, oh, it's fine, we won't get it. And then you got a really bad burn on your forehead. I
know. Luckily it didn't show up that bad on camera, but it has healed. It's been about a week or maybe nearly 2 weeks now. Yeah. But yeah, we're such faffers, aren't we?
We are.
I just wish we were like those people that are organised. Like, you go out, you have everything together straight away.
No, it's not us. Never will be. Alright guys, so we have finally made it to Van World.
Big Van World.
Big Van World.
Literally vans everywhere.
Oh my gosh, there's so many. There's a lot of Mercedes, there's a few Fords. We're not sure which one we would rather go for.
Yeah, and also we don't know whether to go for one that already has windows sort of built in it.
Yeah, I think that would be better because I don't want it to be like really dark and dingy.
But then you don't get a choice of where you put the windows. See, I think it'd be better to go for one without the windows. Yeah. And build them where you want them.
Yeah, potentially.
I don't know.
Both, I guess.
These are the Fords. You've got the Sprinters, Transits.
Yeah.
And there's loads of different lengths.
Yeah.
So
lots to look at, I think.
We've got our tape measure.
Yeah, we've got our tape measure already.
Yeah.
I mean, all the measurements you can find online anyway, but it's just nice to do your own.
These are the vans we're kind of looking at now. We've got the Transit next to the Sprinter.
Yeah.
And there's a Volkswagen, which is, I think, really expensive.
Yeah.
But they're the same length, both length 3.
Yeah.
But we're going to open them up and see side by side, because I think the Ford's got a bit more space inside because the bonnet's a bit longer on the Mercedes. But we don't want a super long one like this one.
Yeah, this one's like massive.
I think that'd be a pain to drive.
Yeah, I think so.
Because
like all of this is obviously so long in the back.
Yeah, I mean some camper people that we've watched do the conversions, they do that one, but I feel like most go for that sort of size.
Alright guys, so this is the first one. This is the Ford. It's pretty spacious inside actually, isn't it?
Yeah, so we just had the measuring tape out, and
Yeah.
the Ford, even though the vans are the same length on the outside,
Yeah.
the Ford is a little bit longer inside.
Yeah. It's really nice and tall though, like there's plenty of space for you because you're quite tall.
Yeah, it's got the step there.
Yeah, it's got, oh, this
You
one
thought the
does.
Ford didn't have the step, but
Oh,
it
yeah,
does
I
have
like
the
the
step.
step. That's good.
But think about insulation, panels,
Yeah.
you're going to be coming down a little bit.
True, but still, I think
But-
that'll be okay.
Yeah, this is a good height.
And another thing about the Ford is that the wheel arches aren't very big. Look, because obviously you have to accommodate for that as well when you're building a van.
Yeah, well let's have a look at the Mercedes and compare it.
This is the Mercedes. They've taken off the box off the wheel arch. I prefer the step on this one though. Look, it's way bigger.
I know, but you can't base it on a step.
True, I know.
Like this one, they're more expensive,
Yeah.
they're not as long, and they've got bigger wheel arches. And they're not as tall.
Yeah, I
Look,
suppose,
look how
yeah.
nowhere near as much headroom.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, at least for me. One
But
thing,
we've already got like a planned out and everything, haven't we?
yeah, one thing we definitely want to do, well everyone does, we're going to remove this bulkhead.
Yeah.
So you'll be able to walk, you'll be able to walk straight into the driver sort of area.
Yeah.
It would be amazing to like do solar panels, all that cool stuff.
Imagine like the cool lighting we could do as well.
Yeah.
So if we are going to take this project on, we're definitely going to do like a bathroom, a little kitchenette,
Yeah.
and a bedroom. We
Somehow.
want all three somehow fitted in this.
Because if you're renting it out, if you wanted to rent it out a few times, or I don't know, maybe even more than that,
Yeah.
people are going to want to see those things
Definitely.
inside of it.
But we've got good ideas. haven't we?
Also, the Mercedes, the wiring loom is in a bit of an awkward
Yeah.
spot, so you'd have to redo that, whereas the Ford,
True.
it's already tucked in.
Yeah, that's true. Hi guys, welcome to my van. I am now starting a new career. I'm going to be a DPD driver, I've decided.
You would be the worst DPD driver.
I would crash
'cause you
and
have
all the
terrible
parcels.
sense of direction.
I know, all the parcels would just go crashing. But
So,
this
even
is
though
nice.
these vans are both the same age,
Yeah.
the Ford has had a sort of facelift inside, so it's a bit more modern.
Yeah, it's a lot more modern. It's
Whereas-
actually really nice.
It is nice. And then let's take a look at the Mercedes inside.
And then this is the Mercedes.
That's still nice.
Yeah?
Oh,
What are you thinking?
which one's more comfortable? Yeah, it's a bit more old-fashioned,
Yeah.
even though they're the same age.
Yeah.
But that's fine. We don't really care about the age of the van. Well, we only really care a little bit about the condition and the
Yeah.
mileage.
A little bit about comfort as well, because obviously you'll be doing a lot of driving, a
Yeah.
lot of hours.
With this bulkhead removed, you should be able to recline the seat a bit because
Yeah, that's true.
this is very upright.
Yeah, and we'd probably get rid of the middle seat too, because we'd want swivel chairs so that this chair and this chair swivels around into the cabin.
You can get a swivel sofa, but I think just get rid of that middle seat. It's kind of unnecessary. I think the Ford's cheaper. It seems to be better in every way, to be honest with you.
Okay, well, it's decided.
It's going to be a Ford. We don't even know if we're buying one.
Well,
I think it'd be an awesome project.
yeah, I think so too. I just think it would be so cool because you guys know we love DIY, decorating. We could do
Yeah.
so much of it ourselves. Like your dad's got, you know,
I'll do everything
knowledge
ourselves.
with electric, and I
Yeah.
mean, we could just learn anyway. I think
Yeah.
there's so many YouTube videos out and about these days that you could just learn.
And there's nothing to lose. Like, you're not going to lose money on the van. I mean, vans
Yeah.
hold their value really well.
Yeah,
And, it'd be a cool project. I just want to do it for the experience.
yeah, me
you
too.
know? If you want to do something, if
Gotta
you want
do
to
it.
experience it, then, yeah, we should do it.
I think it'd be fun. I guess we've just kind of talked ourselves into it even more now.
We did it just then.
I know,
That
we
was
did it
what
just now. You guys witnessed it.
We weren't sure, and then we just talked ourselves into it.
Alright guys, we are now back home from Van World.
Yeah, it was great. And we're going to check out some van stuff now on
Yeah.
our laptop. But first, we want to check out the B-roll of this camera. So roll some random B-roll shots. So the funny thing is, I was recording and it kept saying your memory card isn't fast enough, and this is the new CF Express Type B card with 1,700 megabytes per second.
I don't get it.
So I could record for like 15 seconds max. But
yeah, that was weird. Hopefully
anyway,
we'll get it fixed. But yeah, so I'm feeling pretty positive about our experience at Van World.
Yeah, it was good. The guys were helpful. What are you looking at here then?
So I've just got like a Pinterest board of all the things I've been pinning like yesterday before we even like went to Van World. Just because I wanted to kind of get inspired about what kind of interiors we could potentially do inside a van. Oh, I seem to have liked that one twice. I guess I liked it a lot.
You really liked that one. But I suppose it's like your sort of colour scheme, isn't it?
Yeah, and like look at that shower. It's just so like smartly built in. I just love it. I love all the like fairy lights.
I like that one.
It's very modern. Yeah, I like the seating at the back of the van because wherever you go, you can just like open up the doors and like have food whilst you're just sitting there. I just think that's amazing.
Yeah, there's so many configuration options as well. Like some people have the bed at the back like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's lots of different
of different ways you could do it. This is another favourite of ours because of all the windows and also the roof window right here. I just think it looks so nice and spacious for a van.
Yeah, I really like that roof light, but I don't know. They get really hot, don't they? That's one thing.
They do. So. I mean, we've been doing a lot of research on like how people have built their own vans up from literally scratch, like what we want to do, and they put a lot of like vents and stuff, and they put their own aircon unit in there too. So obviously it is doable.
Yeah, I mean, the ones we've been in have been really hot, but that's because they haven't got insulation. And
but as soon as you open both of the doors, the air goes straight through, so it's fine.
Yeah, they do cool down straight away.
Yeah, so hopefully this might be a project of ours. I mean,
it'd be a good project to do in the winter, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I guess.
Like, it's cold.
I mean, if we started now, it definitely wouldn't be done until the end of this year, right?
Well, I don't know.
It might even be done by next year, but
I don't know. I don't think it takes that long. I could imagine us like doing it through the winter when you haven't really got a lot to do.
True, but then it's like so miserable outside.
Yeah, but also
nice.
when you're doing this kind of work, you don't want to be like really hot.
True, that's true.
There is that.
But yeah, if any of you guys have ever had any experience in doing your own custom like van build from scratch, or you know anyone that has done it, definitely let us know below in the comments. And if you have any advice,
if you have any like favourite YouTubers that built it. We're already at the start of this project. We don't even know if we will do it. Yeah. But I would really like to, so any advice would be really helpful, wouldn't it?
Yeah, definitely. And also give this video a thumbs up if you guys actually would love to see that kind of content on this channel, because I think you guys would be into it.
I think it'd be a great project.
Yeah.
Especially for the winter. So,
yeah, for sure.
But anyway, we'll end the video here, I think.
Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Alright,
bye.
See you guys. Bye.